Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create and use a custom view in the top command. Let's jump right in. When we first launch top, you get this default view. If you want to modify it, type lowercase f. These instructions are always at the top. But to move a column, move the highlighter to it, select it with the right arrow. Now you can move it where you want it to go. Hit enter to set it, then toggle its display with the spacebar. We'll go ahead and disable these columns to clean up our output. Then hit Q to go back. Only the columns we left enabled are showing. We'll exit top, then relaunch it. Unfortunately, top doesn't save our work automatically. We have to manually write our changes to disk, then we can reuse our custom view. I will quickly remake the previous view, then save it by typing uppercase W. Top tells us where it wrote our configuration file. Make note of this path, exit top, and relaunch it. And now our custom view stuck. If you want to restore the default view, exit top and rename the configuration file with a move command. And this effectively deletes the custom view. If we run top again, we now restored the defaults. And anytime you want to reuse your custom view, exit top and recreate the top RC file with a copy command, not a move. This way, we still have our custom view ready to go, and we can safely delete the current top RC when we are done with it. Let me know in the comments below if you found this useful. Thank you, and have a great day.